Well, a kumquat tree is still producing kumquats, but today what I'm going to talk to you about is salad. I think what I found is another type of meal that we can use a kumquat for. What we're going to do, I'm going to put together a salad, and I'm going to show you how to incorporate these little kumquats into a new type of salad dressing. Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living! So we're doing good. This is what we've gotten from our gardens. These are crookneck squashes. They're getting less crooknecky and more squash. We got a Japanese cucumber, and this we got a big gigantic zucchini. So what we're doing is we're going to take some Taylor Farms coleslaw that was purchased at Sam's Club. Not too much. I'm going to use scissors and cut it to bite size. And we're going to take some of our pea sprouts from Fujifilm peach sprouts. Look, you can see here's a seed. We wonder if you could even plant this and see if you could make some more. I don't know. Might experiment with that one. Take your scissors and cut it to size. And the reason you're cutting it is because these stems are just not that great when they're gigantic. And some people, I know, probably cut them out. Then mix it together. And we're going to do like before, we're going to add these broccoli flowers, because it's always nice to have a flower in your salad. We're going to add the Nature Sweet Constellation tomatoes. What's really cool about these tomatoes is they're all different colors. So you got some red ones and you got some green ones, and they taste really, really nice. Now normally I would use salad dressing, but we're doing something different today. We're going to take some, just like we were thinking if we were to have an artichoke, you're going to take a little bit of oil, you're going to add some vinegar. So far this would be almost like a regular salad dressing. You're going to take a fork, you're going to mix it up real fast, and you're going to take your kumquat and you're going to just drop it inside. Now if the seeds bother you, you can take a cutting mat like this and you can just simply cut it out. And a lot of the seeds will just drop off on the cutting mat. You're just going to drop it in. Now one way too to make this is you're going to put it in a blender, and you could smooth it out that way too. These are freshly washed. Okay, you don't want any of these seeds in. Not that they would harm you and like that. So this is basically a salad with a kumquat vinaigrette sauce, or kumquat vinaigrette. So you're going to mix it all in, and you're going to press the kumquat into the already mixed solution. Okay, to finish the salad, now you have your complete salad, you got your tomatoes inside. You're just going to pour this on top. You could just take 2 spoons and you're just going to mix it all together. And what this sauce does is it gives you your oil and vinegar, and it gives you a slight taste of the kumquat juice in your salad. Now you can use more or less depending on how citrusy you want it. And I can taste a little hint of the kumquat. So most likely, for me, I would need a lot more kumquats. Okay, well thank you very much for watching, and now you've seen another use for kumquats. You can put it inside of your oil and your vinegar dressing, and you can basically make it a kumquat salad dressing. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.